Hello everyone. Now in this section we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, which is rational numbers. Now before getting into this topic, let's have a brief look on the previous concepts. We have already learned how can we perform the operations of integers, right? When an integer a, when it is added with integer b, the resultant will also be an integer. When an integer is multiplied with another integer, the resultant will also be an integer. What if an integer, when it is divided with another integer, will it be an integer? No, right? Why? Because if you observe here, if a number p, if an integer p, whenever it is divided with another number or another integer which is q, the resultant cannot be an integer. Why? Because there will be always a number which is lying in the denominator. So basically for an integer, the denominator is always 1. Suppose a is an integer, and if the denominator is always 1, this is said to be an integer basically. But what if it is not 1? And always remember, q is not equal to 0. Okay, q will never be a 0. So what is this number? This is said to be a rational number. Now, what are these rational numbers, fractions, integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers? We can characterize all these numbers by using a Venn diagram. Let me explain you how can this all rational numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, how can this be categorized?